one system is called one pulley here, and this pulley can be improvised through changing of this. So if you change this, means air pressure is much more required to get out. If you do this less, so see, I am starting from the left position. Left positions. This is the positions. Left positions. I am starting from this. This is left position. Sorry. This is left positions. Clear? Means when I am doing this, it is resistant. So air pressure resistance is much more. So our inertance, vocal cord inertance is much more high. If inertance is high, your muscles will be relaxed. Because actually you are improvising subverting pressure. So it is actually mimicking ASLP. That is my style. So there is no recent research on that. What you have to do? Recent research on acapella. So like right now I am doing what about high level. See the vibration. Then I am doing alpha. Then last part, the very high resistance. Understood? So if you do this type of relaxations, your muscles will be the normal part of the bhalo hoye gala. Tokon boxing ko bhalo bata korche. I am feeling very good. My lowest sensation is not there. Okay, this is for adult person. At least 17.5 centimeter should be the length. Here, when the length is short, so you require more length. See, the length is more. Length is more, so it is basically standardized for small children. At least above 6. So this type of therapy I need for. इसको लाना पड़ेगा. Clear? उठाया? रख देना.